Hey, what's up? It's Panpon, and welcome to my game project. I don't want to break my finger anymore. I'm not sure it's not healthy. Right. You see, my finger is not equal. See? Okay, enough. Alright. Okay, I'm making a video game. I'm making a video game using Unity Engine. I'm a solo indie game developer. My name is Watashiwa Namaiwa Panupon desu. Say hi to Unity dev from Japan and Korean. I just subscribe Unity YouTube channel Japan Korean. I'm from Thailand, but why we don't have Unity Thailand? Of course, we don't even have a prime minister just yet. Okay, we about to have, but not from what we choose, what we select. Okay, and I don't care. Today, okay, I'm gonna fix some logic. Yesterday I fix it really real quick because I got a missing it. Alright, but today when I swap item, I still need to update info. Yeah, last time I didn't update. Now I change my mind. When you swap item and you select a new space to move it, I'm gonna show the current item you select. So I'm changing it here. Update info. Switching wheel. Okay, we switch it. But when we select a new item, we set it to false. That means we show the main info first. Okay, and we get rid of this one. So even though you're swapping item, it's still available to see the detail of other items. Yeah. So I don't need to use current ID anymore. I just keep it current index. So I don't need to cache it anymore. Alright. And everything current index, I'm gonna replace it with this one. I found it's better. Current index value. Yeah. Alright. What's that? Okay, still more. Okay, swap. We swap with current index. What's that? Switch. Okay, just info. Okay, why is a lot of error? What's wrong? Okay. just right there. Compiler doesn't work. No. How dare you? Alright. So, sorry if I couldn't expand clearly. So, when you swapping item, the old version, when you swapping item, you select item you want to swap and then you select the position that you swap. But the old version, when you select the position that you want to swap, it didn't show the info of that item in that position. It kept showing the info of the item you want to move to swap. That's it. So now I just change it to look more naturally. Okay, alright. And that means when I cancel it, I don't need to change it back to temp index. Yeah. I just stay at the new position. Okay, but when start, you gotta set start info to 4 by default. Okay, as when we start here, we set it to 4. That okay, set it to now with no item. And this check the range. Range of control action. Okay. On enable. Yeah. I think that's it. Now many value I want to set to default because it's bugging me. For example, swapping. Here, need to set to default on enable. So we set swapping item in the swapper script. It's bugging me many times. So I need to make sure that on enable is false. So another one, canceling. Okay, on enable as well. Most of the time I just copy. Alright, this one false. Canceling swapping. Canceling equipment as well. Okay, even though it's not gonna error when it's become product, but when I'm in the editor, when I close the game without exiting properly, the state is still the same, the value is still the same same as before I close the game. So I have to make sure it reset every time I enable this script, this object. Alright, anything else I need auto cancel encrypt. I reset it here. Is cancel swapping is selecting equipment. Swapping I already check it. So selecting equipment, gonna reset at the equipment. We reset at what they're working. Okay, this one gonna have two of them here. And equipping. Should we have another script to reset all this? It's called inventory reset value, something like that. And then I just have to reset it there. Locking screen, okay. Canceling equipment. I reset it in cancel, skip equipment, I cancel it here. Inventory creator, I'm gonna reset that. Is updating inventory. Okay. How about we have only one script? Okay. One script just to reset all this value when on enable in this object. It's gonna call inventory default value, but this one gonna okay only one place and as well this one only here. Cancel only here. Info stack info, yeah. Set it here. Yeah, better set it up there. So then I'm gonna look at on enable. Yeah, it's better in what they use in the press that in the script that they use. Right, any chat. So in case okay. So feel free to chilling with me. You don't mind. Alright. in the internet anyway. How you always look at your phone, right? I knew it. Most people do that, but I don't. In the gym, in the gym, I was the only guy who's not holding the phone on my hand. Other guys, they all have phone on their hand, and then they just keep watching their phone. And I already go for many sets, they still keep watching, and then they end up making one set. Why? When I already done 4 or 5 sets in the gym. No, my phone is on the ground when I was in the gym. I just have my Bluetooth head earbud in my ears. That's all. So we live in the internet anyway. I just make it to another level. Alright. Okay. I think I'm good with this one. If I put everything in one place, no. Not necessary. Okay. For creator, I'm gonna reset updating inventory on enable. Yeah, I set current index value 0 here. That means equipment, I'm gonna set that to 0 as well. Oh no, it doesn't matter for this one. Enable, okay. Update made, okay. I run through all that anyway. Alright. So I think I'm good with this one. Okay, let me double check controller again. Is cursor on item? Cursor on equipment? Shouldn't check that because I will have it depends on cursor. Select equip switching wheel. Is switching wheel is in the info. So gotta set it here. Alright, and then that's it. Pointer. Shopping. Cursor on item it. Oh, what's up? Hi there. How are you? Hey, been a while. How your weekend? my weekend is raining now. Damn it. I think hope electricity not shut down. Okay, let me test. Okay. Alright. So this one I set is cursor on item at this one. And cursor on equipment at this one. Okay. Alright. Done. Let's listen to the music. I'm change music background today. I'm tired. But I have a lot of sound effect now. Okay, it's a music background. And then I have sound effect. There you go. Open back. Hold back. Select. And now when you're gonna swap, you can select any item and see the information of them regularly now. Before that I lock it because I don't know how it feels like, but now I think okay, you want to move there, you can see information of that, and you can switch view as well. Switch view I have sound effect as well. Now you wanna move to this one. And this one, hold key. Don't use double click anymore. I go soft this time. What's that? Oh, good. Yeah, just keep going. Keep going. The old one I use double click, now I use hold. Go soft now. There you go. Go soft is the name of the company in Thailand. By CPO, who almost the biggest market industry in Thailand. I think the biggest. And I went to the interview once at GoSoft. GoSoft, they make the system for 7-Eleven in Thailand. And the job interview, they ask the question to challenge you. Sounds good. We need more video games, you know. We rarely have video games to play nowadays. We need many kinds of games. You can make a new game that no one make it. It doesn't matter it's a big or small. Yeah, back to GoSoft is the name of company, and I got a job interview and I passed all the exam, everything. I get to the final interview and they asked me one thing, and I know exactly right away it's a very hard job, like stressful job, because the interviewer asked me, okay, we done interview, And the last question, if I can take off my shirt, like upper clothes, like naked, half naked, and walk to the Sky train station and come back here, they will hire me right away. And I said no. Now I know. Yeah, instead you work with 7-Eleven system. It's 24/7. And they already told me that even if you in the cinema watching movie, if you have a problem, you gotta come. Even you was sleeping at 2-3 in the morning, if you have a problem, you have to come. So never mind. I think I have better choice for better life for the same salary. Combat, yeah. Able on device. Okay, sounds good. Not pay to win, huh? You mean pay to win? Pay to win. Or play to win? Playable on all devices, I see. Multi-platform. Like a Genshin Impact, right? Genshin Impact, they can pay a lot. Yeah. Yo. Sup. Genshin Impact, they make multi-platform too. You can pay same account with different device. You know Genshin Impact. Genshin Impact it's a China. It's MMORPG game. The company name is MiHoYo. And I like their French. MiHoYo. They said game gonna save the world something. Genshin Impact. Platform PlayStation 5 for Android, Microsoft Windows, iOS. There you go. But you wanna make combat, right? MiHoYo company in China. If you play Zelda, this one just copy Zelda and make it more anime and play. You can play 3 characters at a time. Switch between 3 characters like a Final Fantasy. MiHoYo, Shanghai. Tech Otaku save the world. That's the slogan. Yeah, you have to copy any game you like and make it better. That's it. I'm copy every game I like to. Like you see this inventory, right? I just copy it from Elden Ring. That's it. Elden Ring, they have a description here in the middle here, so I have the same. And they have main hand, sub hand, accessory. Yeah. As I copy, that's it. I have consent sound too. working on sound effect now. I'm done all the script. So inventory almost done. Only using item sound haven't done yet. Other than that, it's okay. Okay, when you're gonna equip item, you can't select any. Okay, that makes sense. Because you don't need to compare with anything. So just equip it. But when you move it, maybe you want to compare which one. Maybe you want to rearrange from the low, this one low grade, something like that. This one higher grade. Okay, you want to swap with that. You have something to compare. And, it's rare. It's epic. Now we have special, rare, epic, heroic, and legendary. Nice. There you go. Okay, that's it. Yeah, trust me, there is no perfect one. Especially for the big company, they're gonna make it to meet their deadline. That means they're gonna wrap them up, and they're gonna have something like not perfect. If you make yourself, you can make it better for sure. Indie that's the advantage of indie game. You have freedom to make it perfect. If you company, you have to make it in time. You have to cut a lot of things off. I have seen a lot. Yeah, pay to win. Pay to win, and make sure you don't have cheating program. Now I'm thinking how to prevent that. Make it hard to cheat, or you don't have to cheat and you can pay easier. Same as you cheat, so why you cheat? Something like that. Okay, I'm gonna make a new sound now. Using item. Okay, let's say I have 10 of them. This portion. Do you want to? Okay, let's stop. Okay, let me. Okay, it's pay on awake. I have a lot of sound, music background. But right now, item, portion, I don't have a sound for using it yet. Green portion, amount. Okay, let's say I have 10. Up, there we go, magic. Now it's 10. And when you're using it, you use space bar. Use. Should I say use item? Just use, you don't understand. Okay. I'm gonna add that. So let's add that a little bit. Info. So in the info script, inventory control text. There you go. Use item. And you have to keep fixing all the time. There you go. Use item. But now I don't have any sound. Okay, let's make some noise. Make some noise. any game you have to understand their business. They just want to make money. Because they have a lot of staff, how they can pay staff salary if they don't make money. You see when you finish the game, on the credit ending, how many staff there? Can you imagine that? So yeah, that's a downside of company game. I think the future of video game gonna be like music. You see nowadays music, right? They will very individual, and they have more freedom to create music. And I'm gonna buy that music and put in my game. That's it. Okay, let me change background music now. I have the hard rock music. Which one? Game music pack suit. Okay, not that. A B C D E F G heavy metal pack. Okay. You wanna hear this one? Booth of Steel. How about that? Now I'm using anime. Okay, let's listen to music together. Okay, actually I can open it just here. Don't have to open the game. You're gonna go back to interface sound. Where is it? Fantasy FG. There you go. So using item, I have potion here. MNOP potion and alchemist. Okay, let's just two, one, two. We have many potion. Okay, this kind of magic. How many should I have? Okay, basically potion, like a water liquid. Another one gonna be snack. So use item in the inventory directly only for food, not for you cannot throw the bomb by using in the inventory. So gonna repeat that. So okay, have, how about buff? If you have a score buff one time using, something like that. Okay. Okay, maybe one drinking water, two score magic, something like that. One time using. Okay, I'm go check solo leveling. They have something like this in manhwa, like a manga, but from Korea. And eating, A B C D E, right? Is eating. I think I saw it. Food, okay, it's F. Food drink, okay. So we have potion and have food drink. Okay, we might have something like a Coca-Cola item. Yeah. Okay, potion is another one. So we have 1, 2, and it's eating 3. This what is the food? Okay, I think I'm gonna have food drink, food eat, maybe magic. What it is? Magic shim. Or use some kind of stone. Like in the Elden Ring, they have a HP recover stone. You throw it on the floor and like a small campfire, and your HP recovery by time. Yeah, might have this one. You throw on the floor. That means I'm gonna have a lot of items, a lot of sound. I probably gonna attach this sound on item instead. It's consumable only, by the way. So consumable gonna be by type. Okay, I don't have much now. Don't have many now. Gonna have start to make one at a time. For example, I have consumable, explosion, explosive, and potion. Okay, potion gonna use 1 sound. Drink gonna be 1 sound. Food gonna be 1 sound. Right now I have only one. And you can't use explosive in inventory. So no using option. So usable depend on type of it, not category. Type have category type. Depend on type. Type portion, okay, usable in the inventory. Equipable, yeah, both of them equipable. But explosive cannot usable. Equip and then action. I have sound effect for people to human voice. You wanna hear female sound. Female breathing. It's gonna be red X here. Breathing. There you go. ASMR. How about that? So I can make ASMR channel. So there's gonna be 4 female character when they low HP, low stamina, almost die. It's got poison, thing like that. Okay, not now. Interface first. So I'm gonna add first add consumable sound for potion using, and when using, okay, can I add sound in here? Type potion, maybe I should add sound in here. Yeah, add sound in here. And then when I play it, I go to usage, and then update audio and play. You say update, usable return, okay. Minus, yeah. Not call event, yeah. It can be called at this one or this one to make sound. Okay, that means I have to attach the sound on it. Let's do that. So skip table item type. Now I'm gonna start adding sound here. Using, okay, let's say edit with equipment. Okay, that means I can attach sound add equipment as well, so I don't have to set audio here. Equipment audio here. I don't need to set anymore. Right. Let's put it in item type. Table audio and item sound. Yep. Audio clip there. Audio type there. For interface. Interface. Okay. Audio clip. Audio type. Item type. And then item sound. Same type gonna be same sound. And when I play it, that means I have to add audio player in the inventory usage. Press it, close it. And audio player. Let's add. Okay, let's just check Apple. Current usable return. Data true minus. Dot audio. Dot audio clip. No. Oh yeah. Equal to that one. No. The item one. Type. Dot item sound. Item sound is audio. Okay. Yep, set audio to that. And equal to that. Audio. I always use audio. Sound audio. Okay, that's fine. Audio is item sound. And that's it. Boolean is empty. Empty and equip. So I want to make it clear. Make it more clear. If click back. They start making game using VR now. Maybe new game dev might interested to make something. It's empty when we unequip. We set audio and then we set maybe when we update inventory. Yep, let's do that on update inventory. Okay, add sound. They start making game using VR now. Last time a guy from India asked me how to convert image from VR 3D. VR 3D, you see two images at the same time. Like when you are watching 3D movie, right? And they want to convert into one image. They have a function for it. So they start making VR game now. If you want to be a very first, like brand new game with VR, yeah, that's the way to go. But I'm not interested in VR at all. But if you want to be a very first VR game that's successful or make it fun, this is a time to do it. Right now it's just what is Beat Saber. Beat Saber is still VR. If you can make it better than Beat Saber, now you reach. Okay. done compiling. I'm gonna add sound in here, portion. Okay, but first let me add play audio event attached to the update inventory event when you use item. This one I have to attach to that. That's it. Copy, paste. Most of the time when you make game, if you have the same script or same thing, most of the time you just copy it. Okay, you might start slow writing script, but you're gonna go downhill anyway. You're gonna end up copy everything. If you have a good pattern at the beginning, make a good foundation for your script, organized like I have here. I have my rule. Sound audio gonna attach to the event that I already have only, something like that. Make a rule along the way and change the rule along the way too. Now I have audio attached to when we update inventory after using item, and I'm gonna have a sound on item portion. That's it. This one don't have sound, and what we play, so it's gonna be portion. Portion is not drinking water. It's not Coca-Cola. So let's select which one is the best. Which one is the best? You see how high they are selling the sound, and they give you many options, and we just select the best with portion, right? Where is it? Menu P, okay. Portion and academy. It can be two of them. We have how many? 15. No, 15. Which one? Fancy. Okay, we can put it first and then test it one by one. I do that, and I found it more effective than listen to it here. Let's see it in game. So go portion. Okay, go sound. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm gonna done today because I only have portion that can use in inventory right now. I'm gonna keep adding after I have more than one type of consumable item. Right now, just add this one. Okay, I have to create it first. I forgot. God damn it. So audio. Okay, that UI. Player screen. Okay. Now audio item now. And actually it's still UI now. It's still UI. And we put it in UI. But it's just not in player screen. It can be anywhere, like item shop or in player interface. So I'll put it in item instead. And item gonna be category. Okay. Consumable. Okay. So if it's UI, it's gonna be item, okay. Consumable. Try to be organized. Portion. Make some skip. Audio, suitable audio, and call it portion sound. Portion sound. No clip, no type. Type UI. Okay. It's still in UI here. For item, consumable portion. No clip. My portion. Okay. And then add that one into portion type. Portion sound. Portion sound. That's it. Test that. Now when I use item, I should here. I use portion, it should here. Okay. Thirsty now. Oh, I forgot something. Oh shit, yeah. In player screen, I haven't add audio player on it. On usage, I haven't add audio player here. So I just copy from this one. Yep, audio player can be at the event or in the object. That's my rules here. That's it. Add the music to audio player first, and then play one shot when you click it. Let's add like 1000. Is that too much? 100. Just add a number of it. I'm cheating now. Amount here. 100 or 99. And now we're gonna select sound that we want. There you go. Okay. Let's change the sound and select the best sound. This is how you do quality check. I have to do everything myself. Alright. From select, test. Okay, where is sound? Yeah, I recommend you have a good management of your folder as well. So we have using this one. Number one, we have 15. We're gonna test all of them. First, let's select the sound. That's the first one. Number two. Okay. Which one you prefer? I have to select. They all good. Damn it. They all good. How can I choose? Impossible. This kind you have a bubble. Okay. How about this? Okay, like quick drink. Number three. You have to be able to separate what the difference. Okay, this one kind of two drop. Two slurp. Number three, four. Bottle. Yeah. You see, number one is not spread out. It's hard to select now. Any sound professional. Okay, this is some magic here. Oh, interesting. You drink potion and you got to feel something, right? Refresh. Refresh. Number five. I will try it. Oh, this one I don't like it. Yeah. Not good. So at number five. Maybe for poison. Number seven. Yeah, I think so. We need something magic. 6, 7, 8. For this one, 9, 8. For this one page, just 9 here. Maybe I go with 6 or 7. We need some kind of magic. If you food, if you do, if you use food drinking, right? Food drink. If you don't have magic, it's gonna look like food drink. Yeah, it looks like food drink. need something special for potion. Okay, I see. Kinda longer. Why it's too long? Food drink. Maybe food drink is not very good. I'm probably gonna use. Maybe number one. That's good. For food drink. Number one. Okay, go back to potion. Number 10. Set music background. How about this one? Okay, let's go anime. What we have? Okay, you wanna hear something sci-fi? Legend sound, okay. Music pack here. Unleashed game music. Ambient loop. Okay, I have anime sound here. Anime loop. Now I use
I want you be my heart 受け止めてほしいその笑顔で
I have two music with vocal here from anime. What we use for opening and ending.
エナジェティックな翼を解き放しに行くよ
Hey, what's up, Janet? Yeah, at this point, with sound effect, got a lot of music to play here. So I have anime song as well. But okay, I'm probably go with normal routine here. It's a little bit loud. This one is shooting. Let's use this one. Now I have sound to play and then not quiet anymore. There we go. This one very cheap. Alright, it's potion. Okay. Should I put some word on here? Which potion sound should I use? I have 15 of them. I have to select just one. Potion sound, I'm gonna add. Now it's 10. I think I'm gonna go with 6, 7. Let's go 6 again. Too much magic. Do my allergy to magic. This one not bad. So 7. 8. 8 is not good. Maybe 7 and 9. No magic here. We need something magic. For potion, it's not just drinking water. So 10, 7. 10 and 7. Now we have 5 left. 11. So this kind, which making potion in the pot is too much. Oh, it's too much. Just one potion. So 7 and 10 now. 12 is not good. How about 13? It's too short. And now I have only 3. It's too short. Yes. Okay. 13, right? Okay. I'm gonna add more amount of it before I'm running out of it. 99 now. Okay. Go back to sound. Potion 13 not good. So 7 and 10. 14. Like a pot, big pot. So 7 and 10 then. Okay, imagine you got a poison and you use in potion. Still too much. Or not? Someone like it. Can I make a poll here? I have 7 and 10. How many people wanna vote here? Let's see, 7. Yeah. Try the drinking here, something magic as well. I like this. Something deep in the background. Okay. Okay, I use 7. Even if I make a poll, I'm gonna use what what I want anyway. Sorry about that. 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Yeah. Deep and smooth and got the feeling of magic there. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna fix this one why it doesn't update. And it use different font as well. How you make a hole in here. Okay, I see. Okay. But it's too late now. I already selected. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Proportion. Okay, it didn't update. That means update equipment. Okay, I see. It didn't update equipment. I mean equipment in interface, not equipment in the database. We have two equipment. So in use set, I need to update equipment as well. Oh, I can do like this, enable and enable, that's it. Just do like this. Huh? Okay. Same thing then. Same when using. Okay. That means, alright. Okay. That means I have to call it no matter I have it or not. If it equipped, yeah. And we don't care if it empty. If not, then we have to update equipment anyway. And we're gonna use that. Okay. Equip item and countable. And y front there. Okay, text. Okay, you still use the old one. I see. How to stop game first. And then first change the script. Now we don't need to check empty anymore. You check if it equipped, that's all. Yep. Now update equipment, that's it. Alright. Good. Okay. But it should check it. Okay. Audio player. Okay, set it. Minus 8. Set it to 2. Okay, set auto value. Alright, done. And just change the text font. Just change the font. I have a new font. Maybe I forgot to change it. So in the equipment only for consumable 1, 2, 3, all of them, all the text here. Okay, I probably didn't change it. Okay, good. Save. Run. Alright, now same font and update real time. And what if when it's empty? Should we have some sound about it? Or when we drink, should we have a bottle back, empty bottle back? How about that? So you don't have to recycle it. I have option to recycle it. You recycle it. There you go. You got empty bottle back. But now I'm thinking if you drink it, maybe we can have empty bottle back. Is that too much? Yeah, and then this one increase. Now I'm thinking you can use reusable item. And you just have to fry the powder and water. And if it's empty, should we have some sound? Like remove all of it. I've been thinking, add more empty bottle and make a sound when it's empty. And remove all of the inventory. Right now there's no sound here. It's just gone. Okay. It's just gone, it's good. Because you're gonna have two sound. Interrupt each other is not good. Just gone, it's fine. You have ring anyway. Then it's gone. Okay, now I'm thinking of get recycled back. Let's see. Okay, that's the idea. Right, you can't use this one. Now let's do switch page here. I think I'm done with using item. It depends on the type of item. keep at that. Now I have potion done. Okay, now how about this? Switch between page. Switch between page. Okay, I'm done with you. Now switch between page and using Q and E or gamepad only. Left and right. What sound should I use? First, let's create it first, and then let's test it. Gonna be the same sound. Okay, it's gonna be UI. UI screen. We have UI item. Okay. UI player screen. We have equipment. Okay, we should separate folder. Equipment. Actually, I'm gonna move all this equipment in the tile of it or category. Yep, just category is fine. We have equip, armor, consumer, main weapon, all of them. UI, I can call it UI sound in the category of item. Or maybe this one just for player screen. Okay, that's fine. Equipment. Okay, inventory. We have swap item we share with crafting. Switch view, select item as well. Okay, so we don't have to. Okay, I'm done with that. So we share all of this. Yep, it's basic. Select item, select status, we can use it. Select switch view, yep, maybe open back, close back, cancel. Now switch page. They duplicate this one. It's actually switch screen. Switch screen. Player screen. And switch page. Okay, say screen. Switch screen. I have page like a paper, but I want to make it like a tab, maybe type, yeah. UI type, like a selection, but something heavier, or special click. I think special click is too much. We got a lot too. This one is to select swapping item. Okay, maybe special click. Because tie is too light. Yeah, too light. And use it for select normal selection. use special click. Okay, we have 31. Okay, I already used for this one, not bad. First, let's create it and test it. That's the best way to do. Okay, switch view. Let's add something. Special click 4, and then I'm gonna add it when we select screen in the player screen and in screen selection. Screen selection, there we go. Okay, activate inventory. Deactivate. Okay, probably go on controller. Screen controller, select screen right here. Okay, we make sound anyway. We can go back and forth. No matter what, we make sound anyway. Alright. So copy that. Okay, we're gonna use one sound anyway. Let's add audio script here. And let's play it by ear. That's a slang. Let's play it by ear. Okay, we just add switch view in here. That's it. Done. This is when you make it everything organized. And we just change the sound, select the one that we want. That's all. There we go. Not bad. Yeah, it needs to be more heavy than tick tick tick. This one is swap. When you're gonna swap, you can't change. But I still make some noise. Okay, I have to block that. When it turns green, do you have anything check for that? Controller. Not inventory. Okay, I'm done with inventory. Screen controller. Now I have to check screen lock. We have it? No. Let's add it here. Instead of add it there in selection, I have this locking screen. Okay. You don't need to go anywhere when it's locking screen. You see. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. We have a lot of them. making sound also come back to fix myself as well. Like you see here, you never know it's appropriate to use something in somewhere or not until you have sound. Now I know that this one shouldn't be right here. It shouldn't get in here from the first place when it's skin locked. Oh, it's playing animation. Okay, that's fine. The animation we should check delay. We check delay. Okay. That means we have to check delay there too. No, we have to check delay just here. Alright. That means I can spam it. Let's see. If I don't check animation delay, but there is no animation. The win page there is no animation, so don't need to worry about that. Animation delay, I will check when I exit it. Only when I exit it. I have closing animation, so I need to check delay. Okay, but when closing, I can spam it. For example, if I'm about to close it, okay, I can't because I already canceled the button. That means I don't even need to check delay. Yeah, I can't make any sound until I open it and about to close it. Even though animation still not done yet, I couldn't spam. Alright. Okay. That's fine. That means I just have to check screen lock in the screen controller instead. And animation delay. I don't need it anymore. Or what? Close to okay, he's playing animation. We cannot control anything anyway. Display screen. Okay. Early disable controller. Maybe when open screen, I have to wait for animation open fully first, so I can exit it again. Maybe just check right now. Right. When I open, one by one. First, move locking screen to controller. Making sound effect make you narrow down your decision as well, because you can put here or there. It doesn't matter when you don't have sound, but when you start making sound, you start to see it more narrow the way to do. Now instead of that, I'm gonna block it on skin selection. Right, next back here, screen selection here. So we block it here. Yes. Don't need to block there, and there. Alright, and now I'm still curious about this animation. We disable controller here, okay. But how about when we open? Display animation. Okay, let me comment it out of them. Alright. Let's see. So today we done inventory and page and fix some bug, some user experience. And add more couple sounds here. Okay, haven't screen lock. Can I copy somewhere? Locking screen. That's an event. Update locking screen. There you go. Okay, good. Completing domain. Hold on, new day. It's too late. Okay. Now it skin lock. There you go. I can't. There you go. otherwise I can't close it right away, so I have to turn it on. Okay, that makes sense. Play until play open or animation done. Open screen or animation done, then you can exit or select new page. Alright, then that's it for today. Next time I'm gonna do crafting sound effect. And now I'm thinking, if we use something, we should able to recycling it right away. Or you're gonna use and throw away that bottle. Drink and throw away. If you don't throw it away, it's not cool. Right? It's not badass. Okay, where is my screen? Excuse you. Right. Sometimes it doesn't show up. Okay, I can still make sound, but it doesn't change the page. Animation gonna block on controller, not here. Okay. Let's see. Animation delay. I'm gonna calculate that. I'm using screen animator, but I have screen animator playing here. That means I gotta add there as well, and check it there, not here. But for screen animator, right, animation delay, I need it here. Display animation. about switch page. If we only care about switch page, just add it here. Okay, you can select anything, but not switch page. Alright, so okay, we're gonna block that. If we block that at the beginning, so we don't have to block it here. Okay. So don't need to block it on exit. Only on open. Like that. If exit, we disable, so we can't do anything. But when we open, we can't do anything here because we already blocked it there. Not even exit. Exit up. If we disable it that way. That means have to block exit as well. And exit is okay, see. Maybe I need delay to open to activate this one. But right now, okay. Let me put back that. This one is fine. Block that. Okay, that's it. Just to grab animation there. Animator there. Done. Alright. Recompile that. MiHoYo. How is China? Number of employees 5,000. God damn it. 5,000 people in MiHoYo. Alright. So we're done compiling. And in the screen, just grab that animator. Same animator. Okay. You have locking screen all set, alright. Okay, we just check animation delay before we can do any action. When we open the player screen. What's that? Why exit? Or double click it. Alright. Now you can't spam anymore. No sound. I click really fast and no sound. And until animation done. Okay, until animation done. Yep. But you can select right away in case you hurry. But you just can't change pace, that's all. Use done animation. Or you want to change right away. It's gonna be weird. It's not even done. Open yet. Oh, it's okay. If it's okay, then I don't have to check anything. For example, on the controller. Yeah, I don't need to check anything. Except exit. Exit when hit that. Or I'm gonna exit real quick. You don't believe me here. Okay, maybe I should be able to change page right away, like fast. Yep, maybe. Let's try. Maybe you want to be quick. Open it and craft right away, something like that. There you go. But if I don't block exit, you know, look like this. You can like spam it. But okay, let's say you on the inventory and then you open it and you craft right away. Okay, that's still okay. Yeah, okay. I don't have to. Only when open and you wanna exit. It's too fast. Or not. Talking to myself. Okay, at least you need to spend your I'm fine with you switching right away, so I don't need to check the animation here anymore. So we don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need animator. Only lock screen. And only check it here. That's all. That's it. This is better. So you can't spam open and close, but you can change page right away when you open it. Okay, I think I'm good. Now you can't spam anymore. No, you can't. I try to close this. Okay, when you double click. Okay, let's see. One click doesn't work, but you can exit right away. Okay, I'm gonna fix that later next time, and also gonna change. Probably gonna change sound. So I'm done today. For inventory sound effect is done. Now I'm moving on to switch page sound effect. I'm gonna make animation properly as well. Try not to spam open and close. And next time I'm gonna do sound effect in crafting. Probably gonna be very fast because it's gonna be like an inventory. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you everyone for stopping by. Say hi for weekend. Have good weekend everyone. I'm gonna go enjoy my weekend too. Thank you very much. See you again next time. Have a good one. Bye now. Peace.